Welcome back to my tiny kitchen. Learn how to make this butter cookie box selection, all from just one base cookie dough. The variations are almost limitless. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. These are the ingredients for the basic cookie dough recipe. Remember, the recipe and variations are in the description. Start by adding the soft butter, followed by icing sugar to a mixing bowl. Then, using a hand mixer, mix on medium speed until light and fluffy. Once ready, add in 2 egg yolks, followed by vanilla extract. When the yolks are mixed through, add in the flour in stages, mixing well with each addition. One final mix with a spatula to get those unmixed bits on the sides. Then divide the basic cookie dough mix into 5 bowls. From bowl 1, pipe out half of the cookie dough onto a baking paper lined tray. Once piped, rest in the refrigerator for 15 minutes, then bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the cookies begin to brown. Wrap and flatten the balance of the vanilla cookie dough for use later. Once the cookies are baked, leave on the tray for about 5 minutes before transferring onto a wire rack to cool. There are so many ways you could decorate these cookies. One example could be dipping them in dark chocolate and then sprinkling on some chopped nuts. Now on to bowl 2, red velvet cookie. Simply mix all of the ingredients in a bowl. Then turn out the cookie dough onto some cling film, wrap, flatten, and place in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Roll out the red velvet cookie dough to about 5 mm thick. I used a 6 cm cutter. Place the cut-out cookies onto a baking paper lined baking tray and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye out to avoid the cookies from browning. We will fill the red velvet cookies with buttercream frosting. Simply mix all of the ingredients together. Pipe or spoon on about a tablespoon of buttercream frosting onto a cookie and then sandwich together. For bowl 3, linzer style cookies, mix all of the ingredients together. Then turn out the mix onto some cling film, wrap, flatten and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Roll out the linzer style cookie dough to about 5 mm thick. The cutter I used is 6 cm, and to cut out the hole I used a nozzle. And a small star cutter as a variation. Remember to make equal amounts of plain round ones as we will sandwich these with jam. Transfer the cookies onto a baking paper lined baking tray. Then refrigerate for 15 minutes and bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes or until they just begin to brown. Spoon on about a teaspoon of raspberry jam that has been heated until smooth. Then spread the jam and sandwich. You can also dust the linzer style cookies with icing sugar. Now on to bowl 4, gingerbread style cookies. Once again, simply mix all of the ingredients together. Once all of the ingredients have been mixed through, turn out onto some cling film, wrap, flatten and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Then roll out to about 5 mm thick. Cut out using your favorite Christmas cutters. Refrigerate for 15 minutes before baking at 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the cookies begin to brown. For bowl 5, we will be making chocolate cookies. Mix together the cocoa powder with hot water to form a smooth paste. Then mix in the chocolate paste until you no longer have any bits of vanilla dough. Turn out the chocolate cookie dough onto some cling film, wrap, flatten and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Roll out the vanilla cookie dough we used earlier along with the chocolate to 1 cm. Cut out a rectangle from the vanilla cookie dough and place over the chocolate cookie dough. Trim off any excess and cut out 3 1 cm strips. Place the strips over each other, alternate between the colors to achieve a checkered pattern. Press firmly together before cutting out to 5 mm thick. For a striped design cookie, alternate between the chocolate and vanilla cookie dough and slice to 5 mm thick. Roll and cut out the balance of the chocolate cookie dough using various cookie cutters. And bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye out to avoid the cookies from browning. One of the ways to garnish these cookies are with a chocolate drizzle and chopped nuts. Another variation for the chocolate cookie is to cut it out as we did the linzer cookie, making sure there's equal tops and bottoms. Then, fill with chocolate ganache or melted chocolate. And there you have it, perfect for gifting friends and family for this holiday season coming up. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video as I did making it.